Rudy made this.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I filmed another Valentine's Day look. This I feel like is classic Valentine's Day. I love the way this makeup turned out. I did a nice glittery eye and I paired it with some rosy cheeks and a nice strawberry lip. I never use blush. If you've noticed in any of my other videos, I never use blush. I didn't even own a blush until this video. I just feel like blush adds kind of a romantic feel to the look, so that's why I wanted to incorporate it into today's look. So yeah, that's pretty much all for this intro. If you guys would like to see how I got this Valentine's Day look, then keep on watching. Okay, so per usual, we are going to start with foundation. So like I've said in many videos, this has been my favorite foundation combination at the moment. This is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 310. And this is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation in the shade F11. So I'm just gonna mix these together. I'm gonna take my Real Technique sponge and just start blending this out. For concealer, I'm taking this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and I got mine in the shade C7, and I'm just going to use this to highlight underneath my eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna let this set a little bit on my face, so in the meantime I'm gonna do my brows, so I'll be right back. And now I'm just blending out this concealer. I'm just going to powder my face with the Fenty Beauty powder, and this is in the shade Banana. Just going to place it right underneath my eyes. Okay, so for my crease color, I'm going in with this Morphe Day Slayer palette, and I'm going to be working with two of these browns. The first one I'm going to be taking is this color called Editor, and it's just this really nice soft brown. It's a really good transition color. And then just to deepen up the crease a little bit more, I'm going to go in with this darker brown called Define. I just feel like it's a nice chocolatey brown, and it's going to bring a little bit of warmth to the eye look.
Rudy made this.
I'm just going to take this brush with nothing on it, and I'm just going to use this to really blend and buff away that color. You just want it to be nice and soft. I'm just going to lightly dip into this color Defined, and I'm just focusing this on more of the outer part of the eye, just to add some definition. Then one more time, just going in, move my mirror closer, and just going along the outer edges and just really fluffing it out, making it nice and soft. Next, I'm going in with this Stila liquid eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Kitten Karma. This is one of my favorite liquid eyeshadows ever. I think I've repurchased Kitten Karma. This is my third bottle of this. So this is really, really good stuff. And I'm just gonna use it to add some sparkle on my lid. I'm just going to put a little bit on the center of my lid and then just take my finger and just pat it all over the lid, just because I don't want this to be like extremely, like I don't want this to like take over the whole look, but I want it just to be nice and sparkly. It's so pretty. I think that's it for the eyeshadow. Okay, so next we are going to do a nice black winged liner. This is the L'Oreal Carbon Black Linear Intense Liner, the only eyeliner I will ever use. Okay, so liner is done. So now we are going to move on to lashes. And like I said, these are my favorite lashes. These are the Kiss Blowout Lash, and I get mine in the style Beehive. I just love lashes. Like, aren't those so flirty? Like, this whole eye look is just kind of a vibe. I love it. Okay, so lashes are on, so now I kind of just want to smoke out the lower lash line. You can pretty much use any color for this, but I'm going into my Modern Renaissance palette. And I'm going to be taking this color here called Red Ochre on just this tiny brush. And I'm just going to run this along my lower lash line, just to add a little bit of color. Taking a fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend that so it's just nice and soft. I'm going to add some black pencil to my waterline and also some mascara on the lower lashes. Okay, so eyes are done, so let's move back to the face. Of course, I am taking my Too Faced Born This Way. This is their loose translucent powder, and I got mine in the shade Deep. And I'm just going to use this to bronze up the skin.
Rudy made this.
My lips look so bad right now. I can't wait to put some lipstick on them. I've had a sinus infection that I've been dealing with, So I haven't been able to breathe out of my nose. I've had to just breathe out of my mouth. So my lips are very dry. Very dry. And I used chapstick twice before I filmed this video, so. A little under my bottom lip, of course. Down the sides of my nose. This just like honestly makes you look like you got a tan. Then I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush. Blend that out. I do have something to say about this concealer. I don't know if you're gonna be able to pick it up on camera, but my pores right now are showing through the foundation. This doesn't usually ever happen to me. Like, I don't have big pores. So like that's kind of odd that this whole thing is happening. But honestly, it could be a bunch of things combined. It could be the dry weather. It could be a lot. So I'm not gonna blame the concealer. My skin just hates the winter. I'm gonna bronze up my forehead. Just kind of gives the illusion of a smaller forehead. I'm just gonna take these things out because I don't really need them right now, but yeah. And then whatever is left in the cap, I take down my neck to my chest, just so everything matches. So I don't look like I have a really bronze face and then a super pale neck and chest. Now I'm gonna reclip my hair just because I'm gonna do highlight next, and for sure these are gonna get in the way, so. Okay, for highlight, I had such a hard time choosing. Of course, this is my all-time favorite highlighter, this Anastasia Resi highlight, but I use this all the time, so I might go in with Fiji. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with Fiji by Kylie Cosmetics. This is a nice, pretty gold. Well then, I guess I'm going for the really highlighted today. Oh my god. You know when like your makeup is coming out so good and just that one step tries to come for you? That was this highlighter. It literally just tried to abduct this whole look, but no. I'm gonna blend you out and you're gonna look good because we don't have time to play. Just tried to come for me again. Look at how much highlight just went on my phone. I gotta take a break. I think I need a timeout from makeup right now. All right, the highlighter is trying to steal the show, I know, but let's go in with some blush and we're gonna see if we can fix this. This is the Milani Baked Blush. This is in Berry Amore. I'm just going to take it on a fluffy brush and just add some to my cheeks, add a little bit of color. All right, that's helping a little bit. If you ever want to tone down your highlight, just add some blush. There we go. Oh, that looks good. I'm not really a blush person, but it's Valentine's Day, so kind of had to be. Oh my god, that looks so pretty. The bronzer, the blush, the highlight. Okay. All right, it all came together. Okay, so for lips, I originally thought I was going to do a nice, bright, vibrant red, but I feel like I wanted to do something a little bit more soft, so I'm going in with this Kylie Velvet, and this is in the shade Goals, and it's just kind of a nice strawberry color, so it's more in the mix of like a rosy pink mixed with a red. So it's not as like bright and intense. And this is a velvet. Like I say in all my videos, they are so comfortable. So I'm just going to apply this to my lips.
Rudy made this.
All right, I think the lips are good. Okay, so this is the finished Valentine's Day look. I love it. I think it's beautiful, besides the fact I have lipstick on my teeth. Of course, I'm obsessed with the glittery eyes. Glittery eyes are kind of my thing. I think they look super pretty. Overall, I just really like this look. I will say I'm a bit disappointed with how my pores look. They look very big, and my pores never look big. This is very strange. So I'm not sure if it's the concealer, but I've used the concealer before and I really liked it. But then again, that was in the summertime, so my skin is a little bit different in the summertime. So it could be a lot of different things. It could be the concealer. It could be the fact that my skin's really dry. It could be the foundation that I use underneath. It could be a lot of things that are accentuating my pores, but to be honest, it doesn't really matter. I really like how the rest of my face looks. If you are wondering why I'm wearing pajamas, that is because I'm not actually celebrating Valentine's Day today. I actually have to work today and I'm singing at a wedding tomorrow, but I will be celebrating Valentine's Day on Saturday. So I may or may not film like a get ready with me for that day. I'm not sure, but stay tuned. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, be sure to leave any video suggestions you have for me down in the comments below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.